How to put song on Facebook highlights. First, open the Facebook. So on Facebook, in the featured photo, you'll not be able to put the music afterwards. Once you upload the photos or videos to the highlight or the featured photo, you'll not be able to put the song afterwards. So if you want your highlights to have the song, what you have to do is upload the story with the song and add it to the highlight. For that, tap on this option, Create Story, that you can see on the screen. Select the photo or video that you want to create the story of. Tap on the photo or video of your choice. Tap on the music icon that you can see on the screen. Find the music that you want to upload. Tap on it. Tap on the music icon again. Tap on the style of your choice. Tap on the option Done. Make other necessary edits and changes. Tap on the option Share. Wait for the story to be uploaded. Once it is uploaded, tap on the profile icon. Scroll down to the highlights section. Tap on the highlight of your choice. Tap on the three dots. Tap on the option Edit Highlight. Tap on the option Add More. Scroll down. See the stories that you've uploaded. Tap on the story that you just uploaded with music. Tap on the option Next. Tap on the option Save. Now the highlight has been saved. Now when somebody sees your featured photo or highlight, they'll be able to listen to the music that you added. Like this, you'll be able to put a song on Facebook highlights. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.